Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channels. Aslam here. So in this video we are going to learn about how we can add custom font in your funnel design or website design. It's super easy. I can guide you step by step. Without wasting time, let me dive in video and I will show you step by step. First of all, you need to convert your font file here. You can go to the cloud convert and you can convert what file type you have. For example, you have whatever file type you have. So right now I have TTF file and I will convert it into WOF2. That's the file type we needed for integrated in our GoHighLevel funnels. So I have already converted this file, and let me go to the GoHighLevel and simply go to the membership community, and in membership community go to a product area, and in a product area you can create product here, and I have already created, but I will show you how you can create this product. Simply create here and create from scratch and build your own product. Start, we can say that font test. Just create it and simply go to this edit section here, and here you can see add file section. Click on it and here you can select your WOF2 folds. For example, this is WOF2, we can add it, and here we have all types of WOF2 folds. Let me add this one, or I can add this one, and I just upload the file here. So file is already uploaded here. So what's the next click? So what I can do, I just preview it, and here we have preview button, and here what I can do, simply here the file, just click on it, copy link address, and before this copy link address we need to go to the funnel where we want to change our font. For example, I'm going to this funnel and I want to change font here. Just click on edit section here, and I want to change just this font, but before that I need to add some custom code here. I just click on it, and here I have custom code. Simply just copy this code and paste it here, and here I have CDN link. Here I just paste this CDN link, and here is the font name. I just copy it and I will use it here, and also I can use it here. That's a class name, and update here as well. I can provide this code in video description. You can simply go and copy paste it. I just save it here, and for example we want to add, and just save it here as well. Just update it and refresh this page, and simply select your text or class section where you want to add the font, and simply go to the advanced section and go to the class, and here you can just put the class name, and here you can see the font is changed here. So that's how you can change your font, and you can add your custom font. If you need any GoHighLevel related services, and if you want to change this custom font, simply go on leadsflex.com, book your free consultation, and I will do free of cost for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.